I just took Bing Bing outside, but I think it's Meow Meow's turn. Let's go. Bing Bing wants to go so bad. No, not today. We'll go out another time. Hi, Bubba's. Are you ready? Wait, what are you gonna go do? Come here, Bubba's. Good job. Good job. It's kind of a gloomy day, huh, mister? Look how beautiful you are, bro. Be careful. This is all wet, but I don't think you'll like it. Meow Meow, you are such a cutie pie. You know that? Hey, look, it's Mr. Meow Meow. Is that Mama? Are you gonna try to go under there? You can try it. What are you doing now? Look, it's Mama. She just came home. Oh, look, it's a snail. Let's see if Meow Meow likes the snail. Do you like the snail? Oh, look, the snail's peeing on me. Sorry, little snail. Should we go back home, mister? Do you want to go over to the trees? Go play in the tree, mister. This tree literally looks so fun for a cat. It's not far from the ground. You can literally go everywhere. Right here. Good boy. Good boy. That was fun though, huh? Ah! 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 Are you okay?